Girl, stop. You're destroying your hairline. If you're not wearing that wig more than 1 week, you have no business with it. Hey loves, and welcome to today's tutorial. Watching my videos will leave you with one thing: being a pro at styling your own hair, especially your wig. Watch this video to the end if you really want to learn how to melt your lace without. You need a gel to glue down your natural hair, a wig cap, brush, hand fan or blow dryer, adhesive spray, melting spray, rattle comb, precision scissors, blade, bronzer, heat protectant, melting band, brush, micellar water or spirit, and cotton pad. Here is the first step on how you protect your edges. The outgrown hair, if you leave it like that and install your wig like that, it's gonna end up cutting your hair. So use the gel to slick your hair back. Once I'm done slicking it, because the gel is a bit watery, I'll just dry it with a hand fan and then go in with my wig cap to slick it backwards. Sweat and grease can make your lace not to last long, so wipe it off using a micellar water or a spirit, and then I just dry this so it can dry quicker. This is the wig we're installing. It's a 13x6 frontal wig, so all you have to do now is to size up the wig. Make sure that the two sides are equal, still maintaining the position. Move the lace backwards and then start applying your adhesive spray. How many layers of this adhesive spray you apply depends on how long you want the wig to last, so I just did 2 layers. You can see I'm using the hand fan to dry it alongside. The moment the glue is tacky like this, I'll just go ahead to start placing my wig back to the position. Emphasis on tacky, not dry, because I wanted a low hairline around the ear tab, so I'm going to cut it from behind so that it can, fall down. Can you see? Yes, the moment I achieve that, I start pressing down the wig to the glue by using my comb in this motion. The moment I'm done, I will just tie it down with a melting band so that it can tie down properly. Give it some time, maybe 2 minutes, because this is not the final melt, and then I just untied it and start cutting out the excess lace. I do this by splitting it in 3 pieces so it can be easier for you. You can use the precision scissors to cut, but I prefer to use the blade after using the precision scissors to just split it. You get what I mean? So do what works for you. This one is just easier for me. It's normal to see this whitish hash line all over the moment you're done cutting out your excess lace. What you do now is to go in with the bronzer. Remember, your bronzer is always a shade or 2 darker than your skin tone, which makes it perfect. If you use your skin tone, look at the difference. If you use your skin tone, powder, it's gonna continue looking whitish. So the secret is to use a shade darker or 2 shades darker than your skin tone. Immediately I'm done with that, I will now go in with the melting spray. See, you can see how I applied the melting spray in a cover. Then you use the brush to go carefully on the line, because I don't want a tacky job. If you start applying it directly to your hairline, it's gonna rub all over your face and it's gonna make it really, really tacky. So the moment I'm done doing that, I'll remove any hair, just trying to make it very neat by using that tiny brush to take out any hair that is not supposed to be where it is. Do you get? The moment I'm done, then I dry it, then use the tail of the rattle comb to press it down before I then double tie. I'm going in details because I want this to be beginners friendly. So if you have never installed wig before, this will make it very easy for you. The moment I waited for like 5 minutes or so, I then untied it. My head was burning at that point. So look at what we have, a melted lace. At this point, you would like to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to be dropping more and more videos on how to make your wig install as perfect as possible. Honestly, very soon you're going to turn a pro and you can make money styling other people's wig just by watching my videos. This lace melted like it disappeared, that people around me, and it's not just on the screen. As you can see, I didn't do a makeup, I'm on my bare face. So this will melt your lace. Just try it and let me know. I can't wait to see you all try this technique and give me feedback at the comment section. All I did was now style the hair and we are good to go. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. If you have gotten to this point, you are the real MVP, and I can't wait to see you slay your wigs. See you in the next tutorial, gorgeous.